Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots of your image here on your monitor so you can include it in a document or an email. The first way I'm going to show you is using the snipping tool. The snipping tool icon looks like scissors on a white oval. If you don't see it here, like you see on my taskbar, you can go to search and put in snipping tool, and it will bring up a toolbar. Then you press new, a plus symbol will come up, and you can take an image, a screenshot, and grab it, and you'll be given a few choices at the top. You can copy it or save it. I'm going to choose to copy it. I'm going to close the window. I don't need to save it. I'm going to go to my document, and I'm going to paste it. This is the screenshot that I took. Okay, the way I pasted it was choosing Control V on my keyboard, or just right click and paste. Okay. Another way to take a screenshot is to press the print screen button. It's on your keyboard. Sometimes it's close to the 10 keypad on the right. Sometimes it's close to the plus symbol. Find the print screen button. Press it and then go back to your document. Hit Control V and it takes the image and pastes it into your document. If you look at the differences with the snipping tool, you get the toolbar and you can choose a small portion. With the print screen, you have the entire screen. And you can right click and hit paste, or you can Control V to place that image into a document or email.